Once again, folks, it's another day of rain as well as stormy conditions out there. I'm WMAR 2 meteorologist Eric Teller with this forecast update, and kind of much of the same. The 7th consecutive weekend in a row, and we're dealing with flash flood watches across the area right on through Monday morning in many locations, even across South Jersey. Seeing this yesterday, the rain was mainly confined to the beaches. Today, over us, right on through the evening into the overnight hours into tomorrow morning with slow-moving thunderstorms. This afternoon through Monday morning, once again, is that time frame for the worst of the weather. 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Some locations could see some locally heavier amounts. We have some rain on the camera in Westminster, Columbia right now, dry, Lutherville, Timonium. The showers are nearby, though. They're working their way across the northern counties once again today. Off to the south, we had a little bit more sunshine, and they could see some thunderstorms pop here as we get later on into the evening and overnight period. Some storms also going back there in western Maryland, and that's the next complex that's going to develop and roll right on through here as we get towards the evening and overnight period. So you can see it's been 3 or 4 different waves of rain so far today, and it's all courtesy of a stationary boundary that's waffling across the area with some areas of low pressure moving along that boundary at times. Futurecast shows, once again, more rain right on through the evening hours. Rain again tomorrow morning, and then things are going to start to settle down as we get towards the afternoon period. Temperatures only in the 60s, so very cool out there for this time of year. The average high about 82 degrees, so well below the average, and we'll keep with some clouds as we get towards Tuesday, but a little bit more sunshine by the afternoon. So how much rain? Once again, additionally 1 to 2 inches in most locations. Could see some localized heavier amounts. 61 degrees overnight tonight, on and off rumble, some of that heavy at times. Some rain early. We'll try to break out some sunshine for you on your Monday. I think we'll be stuck in the clouds most of the day and then drying out as we get towards the evening hours. Your 7-day forecast, some morning rain on Monday. Tuesday, a little bit drier, some more sunshine there, 77, 85. Showers and storms again on Wednesday. Another dry day in between on Thursday, and then more storms by Friday. So the ups and downs of this weather pattern unfortunately continues, but it looks like we could finally dry things out just in time for Father's Day weekend ahead. We'll have the latest tonight here at 6:30 as well as 11. For now, stay safe and try to stay dry.